Welcome guys to our tutorial how to use R for research. In this session, we are talking about packages in R programming. What is packages and what is library? R packages are a combination of functions and data sets created as extension to R, while library in R indicates the place where the package is held. For installing packages, we can use install.packages function and the name of the package in the bracket and quotation. For example, let's install ggplot2, which is implementation of the grammar of graphs in R. Package ggplot2 successfully unpacked. To install more than one packages together, we use install.packages, C, then the name of packages, let's say dplayer, devtools, and form. We can also install packages by using tools, then click on install packages. We can search for the name of packages, let's say plot3d, and install. Before using functions and data in any packages, we have to load them by using library function. For example, library ggplot2. If we like to remove any packages, let's say we would like to remove ggplot2, we use remove.packages function, then the name of the package inside the quotation. For update packages, at the beginning, we can use all.packages function to check the name of packages that have newer version and required updates. That's the list of these packages in my RStudio. We can use update.packages function to update all these list of packages together. If we would like to update them, we have to choose yes. But in my case, I do not update them, just use cancel. That's the end of today's session.